Evergreen. Candid. New trends in GK 0.
My house. This is my house. It has different rooms where we live, sleep, rest, play and study. Here, I will tell you about all the different rooms in my house. This is my bedroom where I sleep. This is our drawing room where we sit and chat. This is the kitchen where my mother cooks food. My school. Have many rooms. I eat food.
My body.
Friends, you all need our hands, run on our feet and think with our head. Let us know the different parts of our body. I was born as a baby. Now I am a big boy. See this picture carefully. Ear, lips, shoulder,